So we're just going to warm it up a little bit just to get back into the routine. Good. Knees up. Up. Good. Now taking it back under. Knees high. Now we're going to go into a slalom. So the hip goes out, feet to the outside of your rebounder. Single. Ready, side to side, arms go high. And knees up, 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 Take it under. Good, now double bounce in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Ready. Okay, we're gonna take it into a little deeper bounce. Keep those knees bent, swing those arms. Now we're gonna lift, knees. Now try focus on the up. Soften those knees. Ready? Now we're gonna stomp and kick one side. So it's stomp, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other side. Good, now double bounce. In, out, in. Take it low. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Singles. Back to half bounce. It's a little bit more of a stomp. Lift those knees up, 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 up. 8 more, keep them high. You want to pull up with those abs. Back to stomp kick. Stomp. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other side. Double bounce in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Singles. And back to half bounce. Good. Okay. Now the next one's similar to knees up. We're going to tap the foot. Ready. So we go. Up, 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 up. So knee goes out, foot comes in. Now we're going to tap that foot behind. Yeah, yeah. Now try and do a little side bend as you go. we're gonna take it across the body. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other side. Good, now double bar, start, let's take it forward. Now soften those knees, bend both of them. Weight is even on both feet. Single. Back to foot tap. Up. 2, 3. Good, now take it behind. Eight more. Good, now crunch across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other side. Stop. Good, now you're gonna bring those feet together. Bend those knees. We're working from the waist. Take those hands out. Good, now we turn it. Eight more. Singles. Now try bring your hands in opposition. Ready for doubles. 1, 2, 3. Single. Double. Single. Double. Single. Ready? Now we're going to take the feet wide. Twist that hip out. Try and use that oblique to crunch. Hip all the way out. Good. Singles. Eight more. Good. 4 doubles. 1, 2, 3. Single. Double. Single. Double. Single. Last one. Double. Single. So we're going to take this one into a balanced one. We're going to start to bounce one leg. You want to bring this leg into the middle, bend the knees, keep the weight low. So we're going to go double, double. Now literally it's a little heel push into the mat. It's not even a jump up. Now pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1. Now if you can, side to side. If you can't go side to side, you stay in the middle. Other leg. Now we're going to add a bit of cohort. So it's front and back. Up. Hold. Now we take it to the side. Doubles. Now try turn that knee out. Pause. Ready, we go. Now try keep that leg out to the side. Other leg. Now knees to the side, run. Now again, we're trying to use these obliques. Take it back. Double, double. Four bounce. Ready for 8? Now if you can, side to side. Should be a little bit easier here. Other side. Hold, ready. Now we take it front and back. Up, up, up. Ready, we're gonna take it back in front for 2. Double. Single. Side for double. Single. And back. Double. Double. Single. Keep it going. 2, 3, 4, done. Good. Next one's fairly quick. We're just basically doing our side to side moves. Ready? We go. Double. Both feet the full width of the rebounder. Now we take it into double slalom. Here. Keep those legs low. Knees bent the whole time. Single. walk it out. We got one more. This one's fast. So we're gonna keep it low, and we're gonna stay close to the rebounder. We're gonna bring those feet in to start. Sure, getting a bit sweaty here. Ready, we go double. Even on both feet. Singles, tap the arms. Ready, back to double knees up. Bring it down.